This is the 2022 Newmar Baystar 3226. This one is a very nice unit. You have up here your cockpit with all your controls, and then you notice you have your two screens here with your rear view cameras and also your radio. You have the new Ford V8 updated for last year, 2021.
And John, you know what? Even though the console's in the center here in this one, it's tilted towards the driver, unlike on the Fleetwood.
That's true. It's not straight. You can see it much better from the driver's seat. Also, on this one, the table for your passenger to work while you're on the road is on the side here. It's inside of here, and it pulls out and across the seat. You simply come up and down, and you flip this closed, and there you are, ready to work.
How sturdy is that?
This does not move. It's not going anywhere.
Nice.
All right. We also have, as you see, storage up here by the driver and above the passenger. We have a little bit more storage and a television in the front. We have this lovely entranceway railing, and all your controls are above the door. Nope, we have no power, so it's very hot.
Sorry, folks. We are drenched in this. We're going to go through this one kind of quickly.
Yeah, we are. This, I believe, comes out. Yeah, these come off, and this folds down into a bed. This particular model has the Credenza and not the booth. You have a table over here. I mean, a television.
Television.
I'm losing my mind, folks. And more storage above. This is for your television equipment here. You can plug everything in, and there's already some equipment already in there. Across from your dining area is this lovely kitchen with this deep sink, and this whole handle comes out. And we have our convection microwave, very large. Your gas, your propane cooktop, and lots of storage options here. We also have a very large pantry area. This is one of the bigger pantries I've seen. Moving back, we have our refrigerator freezer, which
it looks residential.
It does. Oh, did I lock it? I did lock it. It does. I mean, it's small. It's compact. It must be. The inverter must be on because this is nice.
Come here, John. Come on, John.
Oh
my goodness,
this is what we needed.
This feels.
That feels so good.
Someone's gonna buy this and not realize.
I know, we had our heads in the freezer.
I don't want to leave it. This is the best part of this Newmar. I'm doing Sherry's favorite feature, and this is it.
Get out of the fridge. Well, that was nice for a minute. All right, now we come to the bathroom, and look at this door. It's
it's one of those kind of doors.
Yes,
kind of
this makes it easier when your slide is in, because your door doesn't have to come all the way out. It just slides to the side. Some people do not like this feature, though. I think it's pretty cool.
It's Newmar, so I'm guessing this is a porcelain toilet.
Yes, I would think so. And here we have more storage next to your refrigerator. Look at that.
Well, how far are we going?
All right,
nice.
So now we enter the bedroom area. All right. This, I'm not sure the size of the bed. Is this king or queen?
Looks like an RV king.
RV king. And we have a wardrobe on this side.
Nice size.
Very nice. On the opposite side is also a wardrobe. Now, I don't know if you have the option of a washer-dryer combo in this, but you probably might. Storage space way up there for things you might not want to get to.
Too tall for me.
I know. It would not.
I'd never be able to reach anything up there.
And some large, very, very large deep drawers below.
Yes,
actually 5 of them. And I'm sure there's storage under the bed as well. Yes, there's under the bed storage.
Okay, so John, it is now time for John's pet peeve. Do you have a pet peeve about this RV?
Pet peeve. I really don't have a problem with anything I've seen so far. I'm not a fan of the Credenza. I do prefer the booth. The television is actually in a pretty decent spot. Yeah, I mean, the Newmar dash is kind of plain to me, but it has everything right there in front of you. It's a nice little cockpit.
My favorite feature, this is a tough one because I really liked that freezer. That was the best freezer I've ever had my head in, ever. But I'm going to say my favorite feature is I love how deep this sink is. This sink is really deep, and I think that's really cool because we do a lot of cooking outside of our RV and inside of our RV, and so this would work really well for me. Now it's time for build quality. To be honest,
it seems to have great fit and finish. It seems to.
We could not find anything in here that was that would be striking us as poor build quality. Everything seems to be put together very nicely. John's hiding in the bedroom. We checked the screws are all in. Everything looks like it's just very, very well put together. There's nothing that stands out to me, John, at all in this unit.
I think at this price point, they really try to pay more attention to detail.
Well, that's not true because we've met plenty of people with $800,000 coaches
true.
Who had to bring them in for service. This and Winnebago just seem to have very good perceived build quality.
I haven't heard too much about Newmar or Winnebago having a lot of issues, but I don't know.
Now, ice cream?
Sure, let's have some ice cream. My ice cream is stuck together.
Dag-nabbit!
I know, right?
Alright, folks, that's it for the 2022 Newmar Baystar model
3226.
Alright, we'll catch you on the next one.